Hi and Assalamualaikum. This is an example for the design operation in DC amplifier. So for this question, you have to go through the question carefully because there are a lot of information provided in this question. And okay, let me start. Using the characteristic as shown below, okay, this is the characteristic of the BJT. Design a voltage divider configuration to have a saturation level of 10 milliampere and Q point 1/2 of the distance between cutoff and saturation. The available supply is 28 volt and VE is to be 1/5 of VCC. The condition established by beta RE equal to 10 times R2 should also be met to provide a high stability factor. Then use standard values resistor for this question. Okay, let me take a look the output characteristic. So here is the IC. And then the IC, then the VCE value. Okay, let me take the important information from this question. Okay, the question asks you to design voltage divider. So we need a voltage divider. Then to have a saturation level 10 milliampere. Saturation level means the IC saturation equal to 10 milliampere. And the Q point, okay, this one is a bit tricky. Q point 1/2 of the distance between the cutoff and the saturation means that where is the cutoff? Now the cutoff is at this side. Okay, the cutoff here is cutoff, and this is saturation. So we see that the IC saturation is at 10. Okay, so you can see in this graph, maximum value here is 30 for the cutoff here. So we take half of each. Okay, so 10 become 5 here, and 30 become 15 for the VCE. So means that if you line from 5, okay, and then the 15 of the VCE here, and then you will get 1 point here. So your Q point will be here. Okay. Now, what is another information that you get from this Q point? This is the we get the IB. Okay, remember that this is IB. Okay, so when I do like this, something like this. Okay, so the IB is around more than 35. This is 30. So if we see the scale here, it likes more than 35. So I assume that the IB equal to 37 microampere. Okay, and next information is the available supply is 28. Okay, so I write down here IB is equal 37 microampere and ICQ from the Q point is 5 milliampere and VCEQ is 15 volt. Okay, then the VCC, the supply is 28 volt. Then next is the VE. So the VE is to be 1/5, okay, 1/5 of VCC. So 1/5 VCC, okay, you get this. And then, okay, in this question, okay, they say that they want to provide a high stability factor. So when we say high stability factor, remember this equation, okay, and you also always use this equation to compare or to find whether the method of the approximation method can be used, right? So beta RE equal to 10 times R2. Beta RE times R2. Okay. And finally is use standard value resistor.